doing, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey boo, welcome. Today, honey, you already know we about to be playing in some makeup. As you see, I'm already ready for you, okay? So we're going to be having some fun today, and we're going to be jumping right into it. So let me zoom you in. How you doing? We're going to be starting off with the Plouise Mitchel. We're going to be starting off with Raver, and we're going to be using Ecstasy. Take a little pencil brush, and I'm just going to stamp Ecstasy right into my crease. Keep stamping that right on in. Now, since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into this ColourPop palette, and this is Blue Moon. We're going to be taking Clued in, and we're just going to be blending this right into the crease. Not touching the edge yet. We just blending, putting some shadow. Oh, you heard me say shadow. Putting this shadow over top of where we put this base. And now we're going to jump into this fine china, and we're just going to blend that right out just like that. Now I'm gonna jump right back into that Clued in, darken up that crease a little bit more. Alright, now since I have that down, I'm just going to jump into my Carnival palette that I always jump into. I ain't even got to show it to you, but I'm gonna jump into that black called Lights Out, and I'm gonna just darken up the crease, not to get rid of the blue, but just give it a nice tone. You see what I'm saying? Alright, my boo, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Mitchel Plouise, and this is called Raver. This is a cute little pink. We're going to take another pencil brush and tap this all in the crease, and we're going to just curve it. So we're going to start blending the product out, just blending it out. I'm going to use a bigger brush, blend this just like this. Blend it. You know what I be saying, blend it real good. Oh, by the way, my new booze, I'm a little crazy. I be tripping, but I means well. Make sure you get them edges too, but keep that space. You see that space? Keep that space. We're going to be jumping into this Carnival palette real quick, y'all. Jump into this Reckless, and we're going to put that in the crease like that. Now we're going to jump into Pep Talk using the same pink brush, and we're just going to blend that. Now since I have that down, I'm going to jump into that Lights Out, that black, giving it a nice tone. So now we're going to be cutting this crease, honey, and we're going to be taking the Blank Canvas Mitchel. You already know, boo. Alright, now since we have that down, I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush just for this top part, and I'm going to just blend that out. And now I'm going to do this other side. Alright, so now we have that down. I'm showing off a little bit. I'm going to be jumping into this color right here, the Nubian palette by Juvia's Plouise. And yes, we are tapping this all over the lid. Alright, y'all, this eye is complicated, but we're gonna get it through, okay? So next we're going to be jumping right back into the Mitchel, and we're going to be laying this over the eye, winging it out. Jumping right back into Pep Talk, and I'm gonna just blend this out. I'm going to jump right back into that Reckless, and I'm gonna lay it real close on the waterline. I'm gonna just take some more of that pink and just blend that pink out real good. We're going to be jumping into some Rhinestones rhinestones, okay? Take some duo glue and I'm going to place this right where I want my rhinestones. So let me do this under eye really quick. We're going to jump right back into Nitro, and we're going to take Nitro and we're going to put it all in the waterline and close under the lid. Just keep putting it under there. We're going to jump into Make Waves, and we're going to blend that right under the edges real close and real good. I am really loving the way this came out, okay? So I'm gonna pop on my lash and I'm gonna do this other eye and then we're gonna come back for face, okay? All right, my boos, so now since we are done these eyes, check it out. We about to jump in face. So starting off, we're going to be starting off with moisturizer because I did not moisturize my face. I have been using the Estee Lauder moisturizer. Oh my God, y'all, this joint is the bomb. And we're going to just take some of this and put that all over the face, okay? Rub it in real good. So for primer, we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. Y'all know this is the only primer I've been using right now because this primer is the bomb, okay? Today, I'm just going to take this primer and use a brush and just put this all over just like this. But now we're going to be jumping into foundation, and for foundation we're going to be jumping into the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the color Deep Spice. This is my fave, still my fave, you know what I'm saying? And today I want to take a brush and go like that over my face. Jump into a beauty blender and blend this out real good, you know, just like that, boo. But yes, boo, how have you been doing? I've been doing really good. I've been working and, you know, just staying out the way. I just been focusing on my goals because, you know, it is hard sometimes when you have goals that you really want to set. So I've been trying to meet all my goals, okay? Now we're going to be jumping into the Charlotte Tilbury. But yes, goals are definitely meant to be set and meant to accomplish. And that is the goal that I have been setting, making sure I accomplish all them goals. You know what I'm saying? And now since we had that down, we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty because you know we need a good light. Okay. And while we got that down, we might as well just jump into contour. I mean, why not? Okay. And y'all already know it's the Bobbi Brown. Okay. Bow. I usually take a brush, so I'm trying to be careful. And y'all already know, just start blending this all out real good. Yo, but these eyes though, whew, crazy. You see how it touched right there? Don't worry about that. I got it. Bring it back to life, back to reality. Let me stop singing songs. Y'all, I stay singing something. Now since that we have that down, I'm going to take this M535 brush and I'm just going to blend this contour right out. Very soft, blend it into, yeah. Give it to them just like that. And just stamp that right on up in there. So now since I have that down, I'm going to take some of this dark deep and I'm going to set that contour real good. Set it all up in there. And now I'm going to hurry up and bake before I start decreasing. And I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Honey. I'm gonna keep this nose baked, but I'm gonna jump right back into that dark deep. Dust that off, make sure you don't get no flashback up in here. You know what I'm saying? So for highlight, you already know we're jumping into the Carnival palette, jumping into Gold Luxe. And I'm just going to be jumping into this M454 brush. I don't never have a specific brush that I use for highlight. It's just long as it's round and I can get it. You want it to beam on that face, okay? Ooh, yeah, baby. You're looking good. You're looking good. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into lip. So for lip, we're going to be jumping into the Trendsetter, and this is by Morphe. And now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Morphe, and this is called Chill. Chill, baby. And I really want to just keep this like chill. I don't really want to do too much on the lip. And at first I didn't think this deserves a blush, but this definitely deserves a blush. So we're going to be jumping into the Sweet Cheeks, and we just going to give it just a little tap. So now let me jump in and spray this face. OMG, honey, I am feeling this look. Oh, go me, go me, go me. I keep shocking myself, boo. Every time I do makeup, I keep pushing myself, I keep shocking myself, and I'm so proud of the way this look came out, honey. But if you are really, really feeling this look, don't forget to leave me a comment down below and also smash that like button. Also, my boo, if you've made it this far into the video, I don't know why you haven't subscribed if you haven't subscribed yet, boo. You already know, boo, we is here, okay? I already love you already because you watching this video. And that's some thorough shit, period, okay? So go ahead right on ahead, boo, and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos, period. So with that being said, I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.